Let's cruise Waikiki the best way possible with an e-bike from GoGo Rental. Easy breezy and way more fun than a car. We're hitting some of Waikiki's best sights, snacks, and secret spots. No stress, no parking meters, just pure island vibes. First stop, say hello to Duke Kahanamoku, the legendary waterman who brought surfing to the world. Need a quick dip, Kuhio Beach and Queen's Surf is quieter than the main stretch and perfect for cooling off. Cruise through Kapiolani Park, the island's oldest park. It's massive, shady, and full of aloha. Got a little more time? Swing by the Honolulu Zoo or Waikiki Aquarium, both right along your path. Right up Kapahulu Avenue for a sweet break. Leonard's Bakery's been making Hawaii's favorite malasada since 1952. Crispy outside, fluffy inside, no regrets. Recharge along the Alawai Canal, fewer crowds, smooth pavement, and epic mountain views. Feeling hungry? Grab a quick musubi or hit Rainbow Drive-In for a classic local plate lunch. So ono. With GoGo's e-bikes, you'll cover way more ground in way less time, and you'll have way more fun doing it. Loop back to where you started, and boom, you've seen the best of Waikiki in just a few hours. Lastly, make sure to get your free shave ice before you leave the shop. Subscribe for more Oahu adventures and hit the link below to rent your ride from GoGo Rental. Ride fun, ride safe, ride local.